Hello and welcome to this video. Have you been trying to create pages on Facebook and it keep turning you down, telling you that you have created more? So follow me on this video so that I will tell you how you can quickly create more pages on Facebook. So the first thing you are to do is to go to Play Store, then type Thunder VPN. We have other VPN app. This one is Thunder, so you have to type the Thunder, and you see here I have already downloaded it, so that's why it's telling me to update. So if you don't have it, it will tell you to install, so you will install it. After installing it, all you have to do is to go and open the app, the Thunder VPN app. So when you open it, all you have to do is to connect it. Yes, it's now connected. It's showing that you are now in England. So that you now go back to your Facebook. When you go to your Facebook, you go to this place and go to your pages. Then here you go to this create pages, that is up here, create. You click on it, so you say get started. When it open, you type the name that you want your page to answer. So here I'm just going to type something just to create it. Then after like 14 days, I will have to change the name of the page to the one I want. But if you already have what you want the page to answer, you just type it here. You type it and you continue. So this is my name, my other name, so I want to use it for this. You click next. So when you come here, you choose what you want the page to be, what the page is all about. So I'm going to type a non-profit organization or non-governmental organization. So non-profit organization, then I'll put education too. It's about education. So either I put education or I just choose anyone here and put or school or education. So I'll continue. I'll say create. So you can see before you know it, it will just create for you. Yes, I have been trying to create more pages. You see, you have created your page, so you can even go ahead to continue all these things, to fill all these things, so that you can be able to set up your page. But I will not do all of them now, so I will just put my profile picture there. Then I will go again to create another page, so that you will see that I have been able to create um, other pages. So all I have to do is that I will just put the profile picture, then go back again. I want to go back again to create another one. So I'll go again and say get started. I want to show you that you can create as many pages as you want using this method. So I want to create another one. Now. So I have created one before I started making the video. So this is now going to make it the third one, after which I will show you the three pages I just created using this method. So here is, I will put the name of the page that I want. Then I will still choose the same thing that I chose before. This one I choose music band. Then remember, I'm just using it to fill in, to create the page. Later on I will go back and do it well. So I have created this one again. So I can go ahead and fill in all these things that they say I should fill. So see, I've created this one. So I will put the profile picture and also the cover page, so that you see it. I'll be able to locate it in my page. So you see, it will keep on telling you all these things that you will do. Invite friends, and other things that you need to do to set up the page. So now I want to go to the page now. Enter my Facebook. I'll click the pages here. See the ones that I just created now. These two that I just created now. So you see them here. That is how you can be able to do it. So all these other pages here is the one I'm managing for people.